Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will overview for you guys Instagram automation software. So here, this is my software that I use. So first, I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage a limited Instagram account. So you can choose add account in here. So you can enter the account here, and select format you want, like username, password key, email, password, passmail. And when you enter your account here, software will manage it for you. So you can choose the account that you want and choose select and choose login. The software will also log into the account that I select. Here you can see the software will auto open the browser like this. Okay, next is the content management. Here is a function you have to add your content in here, so you can get your content to go to post or go to post your reels. Here you can add your content in here, and you can choose the image or video that you want. Next is a message management. This function will help you to send the direct message on Instagram. Next is the interaction script. Here this function will help you to make a script to warm up your account or grow your account like a normal user. Here you have many interactions in here. You can choose like read notifications, scroll story, scroll new feeds, scroll reel, or interaction, or follow in the interaction, or interaction with specified account, or interaction by keyword. Next is the viral marketing. Here you can see I have many options that I can choose. First is the post article. You can select the content that you want in the content management. Next, you can choose the account that you want and press start, and the software will auto post your article with the account that I select. Next is the post video reel. Post video is same as post article, but the difference is you can select your video reel. Next is the sitting box. Sitting box, it means you auto-like, auto-comment to the post your reel that you want, and you can enter the link that you want in here and select your account, and the software will use this account to comment and like to the post, the link that you enter in here. And you also can auto follow or unfollow that to the account that you want. Next is the update information function. In here you have to auto update your information of the account that you want in here. Next is scan data. In here you can scan many type data like scan follow accounts, scan account by keywords, scan article by account, or scan article by keyword, or scan account details, scan detail port, or scan account comment. Okay, so basically I just overview for you guys Instagram automation software that I use. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software.